Moving on to conversation AI, and let's see how this works for you. I'll click on explore conversation AI, and here is this: create and manage multiple bots for your business. Please migrate your bots from V1 by December 12, 2024. If you have not done so already after this date, you will be automatically migrated to the new version. So since we are creating a new bot, it automatically gets created in the new version. Here it is. So let's say instead of Tia, I say my bot is Gia. Now choose the bot's operating mode off, turn off conversations AI. You can still edit details. I want it to be an autopilot. We'll send the messages automatically. I can put in the communication channels, select the channels where you want the bot to be active. So I can select Instagram, Facebook, chat widget, live chat, and so on. So let's say Instagram. Your AI bot is ready for trial. Ask it questions based on your training data. Your business name, not training data. I have to give it a training data for the bot to work. So Sawan Kumar. Configure settings for the autopilot mode based on your business needs. Wait time before responding 2 minutes. That's a lot. So let's say 60 seconds. Maximum messages a bot can send in a conversation 10. Send bot to sleep when I send a message manually or through workflow. Okay, so that means the bot would not get activated if I am triggering a message via a workflow or I am sending something manually. I activate it for 2 hours. I come to bot training. Okay, let me save this first. I come to bot training. Now that's where I train my bot. Training material is applicable to all bots. You can give an exact URL, all URLs within the path, or all URL in this domain. So let's say you have a website called www.sawankumar.com, and you can click on get data. Now what it is going to do is it will fetch all the pages that's there on the sawankumar.com domain, and will collect all the information that it will use to reply to the queries. So it's fetching all the pages. Once it fetches all the pages, it's all the information in your website is going to act as a data set for the bot to respond. And you can also customize bot responses, include FAQs to turn the bot to handle missing information to a question. So let's say your website does not have everything, and you know what specific questions can be asked, and you want to give bot the answers to the same. So and for that you can add questions and answers. So whenever somebody asks a questions like this, bot will take a reply from here and answer it accordingly. Bot goals. Let's click on this. So what are the bot goals you want? Let's see here. Set up bot's personality and actions. So this is a prompt. You are a bot for Sawan Kumar, AI business name, tasked to assist customers. Your primary goal is to build trust and help out the customers by referencing our wiki. You cannot help with appointment bookings, appointment cancellations, rescheduling. Politely let the customer know you cannot help them with appointments. Intent, your goal is to assist the customers with their queries. Additional information, maintain a casual, purposeful and concise tone, mirror the customer's language and manner of speaking, and so on. So examples: avoid hello, how can I assist you today? Use hey there, what's on your mind today? Avoid I apologize for the confusion, sorry if that does not make sense. Avoid I understand your concern, but I assure your team is made up of yeah, it makes sense why you would be concerned, but trust me, our team is really good at what we do. Rules to follow. So these are some of these example prompts from Go High Level. You can obviously add more custom items to it. Set up your actions. What do you want it to do? Configure the employee to book an appointment. So if you are a business owner or a service owner and you want the bot to book appointments on your behalf, this is what you can use. And you click on save. Now obviously because I have not filled in all of the data, it's not going to work. But yeah, once you set things up, it's going to work the way you want it to work. Whenever somebody messages you on Insta or on Facebook or sends you a SMS or triggers your live chat, the bot is going to get activated and going to reply on your behalf. That's pretty much about conversations AI and how it is working. So that's all. We'll move on to the next one.